Welcome to our exciting countdown of the top 5 best cat scratching posts for 2026. If you're a cat owner, you know how essential a good scratching post is for your feline friend. Not only do these posts satisfy their natural scratching instincts, but they also protect your furniture from those little claws. In this video, we'll explore some of the best options available on Amazon, highlighting their features, benefits, and what makes them stand out. Let's dive in and find the perfect scratching post for your kitty. MECOOL 34 Tall Cat Scratching Post. Premium Basics Kitten Scratcher Sisal Scratch Posts Trees with Hanging Ball for Indoor Cats. The MECOOL 34 Tall Cat Scratching Post offers a fantastic option for cat owners looking for a sturdy and engaging scratcher. Its tall design allows cats to fully extend while scratching, which is essential for keeping their claws healthy and reducing stress. Made from durable sisal material, this post provides a satisfying texture for your cat to dig into. It also features a hanging ball that adds an interactive element, enticing your cat to play and scratch. This post is ideal for larger breeds or multiple cats, as it stands tall and can withstand vigorous scratching. However, some users have noted that it might take up considerable floor space in smaller homes. MECOOL Cat Scratching Post. Premium Basics Kitten Scratcher Sisal Scratch Posts with Hanging Ball, 22 in for kittens or smaller cats, 22 inches for kitten beige. Next up is the MECOOL Cat Scratching Post, measuring 22 inches tall, which makes it perfect for kittens or smaller cats. This scratcher combines functionality with a charming design, featuring a soft beige color that fits well with any home decor. Its sisal-wrapped post provides an excellent scratching surface, encouraging healthy claw maintenance. The included hanging ball adds a playful touch, making it a delightful addition to your kitten's playtime. It's best suited for young cats who are just learning to scratch, although it may not be sturdy enough for heavier adult cats. Overall, it's a great choice for small spaces and younger felines. Amazon Basics Cat Scratching Post for Indoor Cats and Kittens, medium, 31.5 inches high. Cat Furniture with Dangling Ball Toy. At number 3, we have the Amazon Basics Cat Scratching Post, standing at 31.5 inches. This post strikes an excellent balance between quality and price, making it an attractive option for cat owners. It features a robust sisal scratching surface and a cozy base that provides stability during your cat's enthusiastic scratching sessions. The dangling ball toy adds excitement, drawing in playful cats who love to interact with their environment. This scratching post is ideal for medium-sized cats and can accommodate both kittens and adults. However, some users have mentioned that the quality of the materials may not be as high-end as other more expensive options, but it certainly holds its own in terms of functionality. Dimaka 29-inch height, tall cat scratching post, claw scratcher with sisal rope and covered with soft smooth plush, vertical scratch, full stretch for standard size cats, grey 29 inches for all cats. Coming in at number 2 is the Dimaka 29-inch height, tall cat scratching post, which is designed for cats of all sizes. This post features a plush covering that feels soft to the paw, while the sisal rope ensures a durable scratching experience. With its vertical design, cats can stretch fully, which is vital for their physical and mental health. The neutral grey color fits seamlessly into any room, making it an attractive piece of furniture. Additionally, it's easy to assemble and stable enough for enthusiastic scratchers. However, larger cats may find it less challenging as they grow, so it may be more suitable for standard-sized cats. SmartCat Pioneer Pet Ultimate Scratching Post, beige. Topping our list is the SmartCat Pioneer Pet Ultimate Scratching Post, an exceptional product that combines durability with style. This towering post is specifically designed for serious scratchers, providing a robust sisal covering that can withstand even the most vigorous scratching sessions. Its unique design allows cats to stretch fully, which helps maintain their claw health while also giving them a sense of security. This scratching post is perfect for both large and small cats and comes in a neutral beige color that complements any room. While its price point is on the higher end, the quality and longevity of this scratching post make it a worthwhile investment for any cat owner looking to enrich their pet's environment. Thank you for joining us on this countdown of the top 5 best cat scratching posts for 2026. Each of these products offers unique benefits tailored to fit different needs and preferences. Be sure to consider your cat's size and scratching habits when making your choice. Don't forget to check the links in the description to find the best deals on Amazon. Give your furry friend the gift of a great scratching post today.